Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arif Rahman Hakim. I will explain related to the picture listed entitled The Mother Nature. What is seen in the image has a meaning of betrayal and seems to have the meaning of the battle between the mother of nature and humans who represent civilization and point a gun in a picture of a woman. Images show beautiful colors and themes that contrast the world of gray and metal from human-made industrial cities. What looks in the picture is that the woman represents beautiful colors of the natural worlds, the indicates life. This contrasts with gray, metal, pastel which is a city, and smoke which is a pollution that changes the atmosphere. The man's hand was burning and destroyed as he held a gun in the head of the mother. This represents the double properties of destruction. While he destroyed the natural mother, he also destroyed himself. When the occurrence occurs when humans live and begin to build their lives coupled with technological advancement but by damaging the earth. Where is in life in the earth? So the earth feels traumatized as a result of what humans do. Why can this happen? Because humanity threatens the natural world through industrialization. Humans reduce trees, polluting the atmosphere and removing chemical waste into rivers and flowers that have disaster effect on the natural world. How the image has a deep meaning because it has the main thing, namely to describe the effect of the detrimental of human-made developments in the environment. The main idea in this image is the need for environmental change and sustainability. Before I end, please see the video that I shared this.
Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years, 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter. Or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other. Your actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. Are you?
The literal meaning of this image is from the hands of a man who holds a gun on the face of a woman who seems to bring the natural world and cry on the perspective. The meaning or connotation market can represent the battle between mother of nature and humans. The gun held on the woman's face seems to represent the industry, the cities of man-made, and woman seems to symbolize the natural world that's slowly destroyed by civilization activities. Alright, enough that I can find. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.